Welcome to While You Were Pooping. Today, we're celebrating our 300th episode with something a little bit different. 300 things you didn't know you needed to know. Lightning fast, no deep dives, no context. Just pure, rapid-fire facts to blow your mind and get you through your bathroom break. Let's jump in.
While you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping.
And here we go. 300 fun facts. Bananas are berries. Strawberries are not berries. Octopuses have 3 hearts. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Honey never spoils. The Eiffel Tower grows in summer. Wombat poop is cubed. A day on Venus is longer than its year. The dot over an I is called a tittle. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Koalas have fingerprints. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. You can't hum while holding your nose. Lobsters taste with their legs. The first oranges weren't orange. Cows have best friends. A cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. Most wasabi is just dyed horseradish. The unicorn is Scotland's national animal. Hot water freezes faster than cold. Pigeons can recognize themselves in mirrors. Tomatoes have more genes than humans. The Twitter bird has a name. Larry. Cats can't taste sweetness. There's a basketball court on top of the Supreme Court. Peanuts are legumes, not nuts. The moon has moonquakes. Sharks existed before trees. Snails can sleep for 3 years. Cows moo with regional accents. Apples float because they're 25% air. The smell of fresh cut grass is a plant distress call. The inventor of the frisbee was turned into a frisbee. Butterflies taste with their feet. The inventor of Pringles is buried in a Pringles can. A group of porcupines is called a prickle. A jiffy is an actual unit of time. The heart of a shrimp is in its head. There's a species of jellyfish that can live forever. Armadillos always give birth to identical quadruplets. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping. Your fingernails grow faster on your dominant hand. Cheetahs can't roar. You can't lick your own elbow. Some cats are allergic to humans. It rains diamonds on Jupiter. Elephants can't jump. The longest hiccup spree lasted 68 years. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the sun. Blue whales' hearts can be as big as a car. A day on Mercury lasts 1,408 hours. Some frogs can be frozen and survive. A sneeze travels about 100 miles per hour. Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans. Most dust in your home is dead skin. The average person walks the equivalent of 5 times around the world in a lifetime. Slugs have 4 noses. The blob of toothpaste on your brush is called a nurdle. It takes 8 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth. Dolphins have names for each other. Pigs can't look up at the sky. Crocodiles can't stick out their tongues. A single spaghetti noodle is called a spaghetto. The original Monopoly game took over 70 hours to play. The inventor of the microwave got the idea from melting a candy bar. An octopus has 9 brains. There's a town in Norway where it's illegal to die. Mosquitoes are attracted to people who eat bananas. The smell of rain is called petrichor. McDonald's once made bubblegum flavored broccoli. Humans share 60% of DNA with bananas. A group of crows is called a murder. Camels have 3 eyelids. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. Butterflies remember being caterpillars. Octopuses can edit their own RNA. Most people fall asleep in 7 minutes. Penguins propose with pebbles. There's a planet made of diamonds. A group of owls is a parliament. The average yawn lasts 6 seconds. Rats laugh when tickled. A baby puffin is called a puffling. Cows can walk upstairs, but not down. The longest wedding veil was longer than 63 football fields. Bubble wrap was originally designed as wallpaper. There are more fake flamingos than real ones. A bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Some fish cough. Apples are more effective at waking you up than coffee. The first alarm clock could only ring at 4 a.m. Wombats run up to 25 miles per hour. Sharks are older than Saturn's rings. Vending machines kill more people than sharks. There's a basketball court in the Pentagon. A group of ferrets is a business. The smell of crayons is universally nostalgic. The average pencil can draw a line 35 miles long. There's a species of mushroom that glows in the dark. That's 100 facts. You're now officially 100 facts smarter. Or weirder. Either way, let's keep going. A group of jellyfish is called a smack. You burn more calories sleeping than watching TV. Octopuses have blue blood. A banana is technically an herb. Q is the only letter not in any U.S. state name. Snails have 14,000 teeth. Butterflies can see ultraviolet light. Elephants can hear with their feet. Some clams have eyes on their shells. Rats and horses can't vomit. Goldfish have a memory span of months, not seconds. The human nose can detect 1 trillion scents. Humans glow in the dark. Slightly. Your stomach gets a new lining every few days. Birds are the closest living relatives to dinosaurs. The moon smells like gunpowder. Starfish don't have brains. Some sea cucumbers fight with their guts. Goats have rectangular pupils. The original name for Google was back rub. A giraffe's tongue is about 18 inches long. Turtles can live for over 100 years. Some cats are born with thumbs. Penguins have knees. A crocodile can't chew. Frogs use their eyes to help swallow. The longest recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds. Kangaroos can't walk backward. The word strengths is the longest with one vowel. Avocados never ripen on a tree. Bubble gum is pink because that dye was available. The average person has 67 dreams a year. Your taste buds live about 10 days. Caterpillars have more muscles than humans. Pigs can play video games. Bees can recognize human faces. Some ants explode when threatened. Blue eyes are genetically more sensitive to light. You can smell rain before it falls. A baby spider is called a spiderling. The average raindrop falls at 22 miles per hour. All clownfish are born male. Some trees can clone themselves. Owls can rotate their necks 270 degrees. Hippos sweat red. Flamingos are pink because of their food. Some worms can regrow their whole body. Hummingbirds can't walk. There's a lizard that squirts blood from its eyes. Spiders can't chew. Sharks don't have bones. Some turtles can live without oxygen for months. A hummingbird's heart beats over 1,000 times per minute. The average human body contains 37.2 trillion cells. It takes 43 muscles to frown. Baby elephants suck their trunks like thumbs. Some beetles shoot boiling chemicals as defense. The longest English word has 189,819 letters. Water bears, or tardigrades, can survive in space. Baby goats are called kids. Bats are the only flying mammals. Sloths poop once a week. Giraffes have no vocal cords. A group of lizards is called a lounge. Some snails are left-handed. A newborn kangaroo is the size of a jelly bean. Starfish can regrow arms. Dragonflies can live underwater. There's a bird that sounds like a chainsaw. Some frogs give birth through their mouths. Fish can drown. The brain uses 20% of your body's energy. Your pinky finger does 50% of hand strength. Some jellyfish clone themselves. A crocodile's stomach can dissolve bones. The average adult has 206 bones. Seahorses are the only animals where the male gets pregnant. Caterpillars digest themselves into goo to become butterflies. Some moths drink tears. Chickens dream. Pigeons can do math. Axolotls never grow up. Dolphins give themselves names. Polar bear's skin is black. Walruses can sleep in water. Humans can survive weeks without food, but only days without sleep. Your hair grows faster in warm weather. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on the earth. Some mushrooms glow. The tongue is the strongest muscle by weight. Earthworms have 5 hearts. The Eiffel Tower can lean during windstorms. Bacteria are the oldest life form. Zebras are black with white stripes. Jellyfish have been on Earth for over 500 million years. Some spiders can glide. You can't breathe and swallow at the same time. Octopuses have no bones, which lets them squeeze through tiny openings. A group of frogs is called an army. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. 200 facts in, and we've covered glowing mushrooms, dolphin names, and cube poop. Let's push through this final stretch. The moon is moving away from the Earth by 1.5 inches per year. Tomatoes were once considered poisonous in Europe. Ravens can mimic human speech like parrots. Platypuses don't have stomachs. A bolt of lightning is 6 times hotter than the sun's surface. Some spiders keep pet frogs. Human bones are ounce for ounce stronger than steel. Caterpillars have 12 eyes. The longest recorded sneeze lasted 978 days. Saturn could float in water. A day on Uranus lasts 17 hours. Humans are the only animal with chins. Some ants farm other insects. Male lions do about 20% of the hunting. Your left lung is smaller than your right. Sponges are animals, not plants. Your ears never stop growing. The tongue has 8 muscles. Bananas are radioactive. Glass is actually a slow-moving liquid. Cows produce more milk when they listen to music. A sneeze can reach up to 40,000 droplets. Crickets hear with their knees. Bacteria outnumber human cells in your body. Some turtles can pee through their mouths. Whales can hold their breath for over 90 minutes. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the galaxy. Some fungi create zombies and insects. Human thigh bones are stronger than concrete. Wombats can run faster than humans. A narwhal's tusk is actually a tooth. Elephants mourn their dead. Sea sponges have no organs. Spiders can't get caught in their own webs. Fireflies aren't flies. They're beetles. Male ostriches can roar like lions. Pigeons can tell the difference between Picasso and Monet. Some snakes can fly. Baby giraffes drop 6 feet when born. Squirrels accidentally plant thousands of trees each year. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. Bats always turn left when exiting a cave. Lobsters taste with their feet. Cows have 4 stomachs. The first computer mouse was made of wood. Hippos can't swim. They bounce. Zebrafish are transparent when born. Tardigrades can survive boiling water. Butterflies can remember bad experiences. Penguins can drink salt water. Otters use rocks as tools. Dolphins have been seen using tools. Crocodiles can live over 100 years. A bee flaps its wings 200 times per second. The smell of vanilla comes from a tropical orchid. Earth spins about 1,000 miles per hour. Raindrops aren't teardrop shaped, they're more like hamburger buns. A flea can jump 200 times its body length. Lightning strikes Earth about 100 times per second. Turtles don't have teeth. Cats can make over 100 sounds. Dogs can understand up to 250 words. Some jellyfish have eyes. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Gorillas burp when they're happy. Wolves have been known to adopt pups from other packs. A goldfish can live for decades. Crows can hold grudges and remember human faces for years. Capuchin monkeys use tools to crack open nuts. Butterflies drink through a straw-like tongue. Worms have 5 hearts. The ocean is 95% unexplored. Humans share 98% of DNA with chimps. Lightning can strike the same place twice. A newborn baby has over 300 bones. Bees can communicate through dance. The heart can continue beating outside the body. The Sahara used to be green. Some sharks glow in the dark. You can smell snow. Mosquitoes are the world's deadliest animals. The word robot comes from a Czech word for forced labor. Venus rotates backwards. Octopuses can taste with their skin. The Milky Way smells like rum. Some butterflies are poisonous. The sun makes up 99.8% of our solar system's mass. Chameleons change color to communicate, not camouflage. There are more chickens than humans. Some crabs grow sponge hats to hide. Turtles can live without food for months. Human saliva contains a painkiller more powerful than morphine. Baby flamingos are gray. A crocodile can go months without eating. Sea otters have pockets in their armpits. Some ants can build living bridges with their bodies. There's a species of fish that can climb waterfalls. The average cumulus cloud holds enough water to fill 100 Olympic pools. A single strand of human hair can support up to 3 ounces. The smell of chocolate increases theta brainwaves, which triggers relaxation. And there you have it. 300 facts for 300 episodes. That's it for today's lightning round of While You Were Pooping. Thanks for hanging out with us for 300 episodes. If this blew your mind, made you laugh, or gave you something to blurt out at your next dinner party, share it. And until next time, keep your mind curious and your hands clean.
Yeah, while you were pooping, while you were pooping.